How are you? This is Leslie. Welcome to another of my videos. So today's video we're gonna be using a palette from the brand Makeup Revolution. Makeup Revolution is a drugstore brand. They have like so many products that are so affordable, and honestly like you don't need that much money to create a makeup look or to be into makeup. Like there's so many drugstore brands that are really good and they're so affordable. So I'm gonna be creating this look on my eyes, and the lipstick might be a bit too much, but I really wanted to try it, and it's from the brand Pixie. But yeah, I hope that you really like this video, and if you do so, don't forget to give a big thumbs up. And to not make this intro way too long, let's just jump into the video. Okay, I'm not really sure what look I'm going for, but this is what the palette looks like. I've already used it once. You can see like my fingerprints all over it already, and I think this packaging looks so pretty. It's so feminine, and I like that it includes a mirror on it, because for it being a drugstore product, usually like they don't include mirrors because they become like more expensive if they have it. And this palette retails for $15, so I think it's really good. It has very colorful colors. I think that sounds weird, but it is very colorful. I really like this blue one and the yellow, but I think like right now we're gonna try using some pink shades right here and maybe some orange as well. For primer, I'm using the typical Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion, and I just take a little bit on my fingers and apply it on my eyelids. And I'm so sad, guys, because I've been filming my videos without a microphone or anything for a while already, and I wanted to get better at filming and everything, and I bought a microphone and realized that it's not the same like type to plug into my camera, so I might have to return it or find another way of using that microphone. I really want to try this orange shade called Pumpkin, so I'm gonna take this with a blending brush and apply it as my transition shade, and we'll see where we go from there. I can see they're very pigmented and they have zero to no fallout, and like I purposely didn't put foundation on because I wanted to see first like how these reacted in case they had some fallout, but I can see like there's no fallout. At least with this eyeshadow I'm not seeing anything, and it's so easy to blend. I'm gonna take a smaller brush and I will take the shade Ariel with Inspire and gonna apply a little bit under the one that we added, and try to blend those two eyeshadows. So I just had an idea of having this pink eyeshadow like on this corner and also like bringing it here and just leaving like the center by itself, because we're gonna add some shimmery shades on the center. I'm going back a little bit with that orange eyeshadow and kind of like combining these two to have like that perfect blend, and that it doesn't look like it's all like caught between those two colors. Now, because we're gonna apply a shimmery shade, they're so much easier to apply with the fingers. I think they have like more, I guess, pigmentation, or you can see the glitter a lot more. So I'm gonna be taking my ring finger and I will take the shade Yas right here. I love that name. And if you didn't know, this palette is from a YouTuber called Roxi. So that's why like you can see it says here Roxi. I believe she's a British YouTuber. I'm not really sure. I've been following her for a while, but I'm not 100% sure where she's from. But she's so nice, so sweet. She also does like makeup videos, hence the palette. And I think like she has also like created some videos of her like using this palette and testing it out. So if you want to check it out, I'm gonna look for the link and leave it down below in the description box. I love this shade so freaking much. So pretty. Okay, now that we have that in the center, I'm gonna go back with the pink shade and try to blend that to have it like going towards the center of that shimmery shade. I really like that combination of colors and I love that shimmer shade. But now we're gonna apply some foundation, and I'm using the Born This Way foundation from Too Faced. I don't have that long using it, but so far I really like it. It's like medium coverage, but you can build it up. Now that we have the foundation, I can play with some eyeshadow on my lower lash line, and I will be taking the shade Ariel with tiny bit of the cranberry one, which is a glitter one, and I'm gonna apply it on my lower lash line. And to add some glow, I'm taking a teeny tiny brush and taking the shade Iconic, and I'm gonna put it on the inner corner of my eye. Wow, it looks so good. I don't know if you can tell in camera, but it's so pretty. Like, they're all so pigmented. They have really good formula and they're so freaking easy to work with. I think I'm gonna take the same eyeshadow and put it under my eyebrow. Now, I wasn't thinking of wearing highlighter because I feel like my skin's already too glowy, but I recently got these Too Faced highlighter on my BoxyCharm, so I really want to try it out. It's so pretty. I love it. I love the presentation of it, and I used to not like highlighter, but I'm liking it a little bit more this year, and I think it's good to get out of your comfort zone. So I'm doing at least one thing a month that it's out of my comfort zone. And I don't think I'm gonna add blush, but I am gonna use some lipstick. And this morning Pixie sent me this package. It says 20 years of glow, and they have all of these things. Over here I had an eyeshadow palette, but I already gave it away to my best friend because I'm honestly not gonna use it. I already have like 3 eyeshadow palettes from them and I love them. They're so good, but I think it's better for other people to use it. They sent me their face cream, which I love, their toner, which is also really good, their glowing mist, which is so refreshing, and I wouldn't use it as a setting spray, but like in the mornings to have that nice mist, it's really nice. Their eyeliner, I haven't tried it out. The eyeshadow palette, like I mentioned, I already have them and they're really good. And their lip products, I haven't tried them either, so that's why like today we're gonna test this matte Lash liquid lipstick, and this is on the shade Berry Beauty, so we'll see how they are. I've always seen them and I think they're so pretty, and what I really like about Pixie is that they are cruelty free, and if I'm not mistaken they're also vegan, so that's why I like supporting this brand a lot. Aside from the Kylie Jenner lipstick, these lipsticks are the only ones that have a really nice smell. So this one is Berry Beauty, so it smells like berries, and I think it has a really nice color, and I think it matches our eyes. It might be like a little too much, but I don't have any blush or anything like that, so I think it looks really cute. So overall, I think this palette is really good. Its colors are so pretty, and I think you can create any look with this, and it's also so affordable. Like, it retails for $15, so it could be a good palette to have on the go, especially because it has a mirror and it's very small, so compact, so you can have it with you when you're traveling or doing anything that you need it for. And like I said, this YouTuber, she's so nice and so pretty, so I'm gonna leave her link down below if you want to check out her videos. And this was one of my gifts for Christmas, so also if you want to see what I got for Christmas, the link is down below in the description box. And I hope that you really liked this video, and if you do so, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed yet, don't forget that you can do so by clicking the button down below. But yeah, I hope to see you on more of my next videos. Bye guys.